guys wants to start.
Don't be taking my picture.
Sir.
Don't be taking.
You're disturbing the
You're gonna get
meeting.
rid of him. I want to whack him, and I'm gonna wind up in jail.
You're disturbing the meeting. I'm gonna go back to doing what I was doing.
You can't go in.
Quietly. I'm not in there. I'm not going in there.
Okay, we'll stand here.
Stand right there.
Okay.
Please, stay right there.
But you can't go to the meeting.
I'm not going in the meeting. Just don't disturb the meeting.
Okay.
We're going
telling you,
this
get out
way.
of my face.
We're going this way.
Take him.
No,
Don't.
Welcome back to the Lackluster channel. Today's story was submitted by Cops Can't Surf. On March 2nd, 2020, Chris Angelo attended the Lavalette City Council meeting. In the minutes of the meeting, we can see Chris asking questions about an officer, and then eventually whether he could record the meeting. The mayor denied the request for the petty excuse of not asking to record ahead of time. It is especially ridiculous considering the meetings are publicly broadcasted to YouTube, and that they only started publishing them just 2 weeks after this incident. Considering the timing, it is likely that the mayor knew that the meetings were about to be publicly live streamed, but still denied Chris his First Amendment right to film the meeting. The minutes don't mention Chris again, or that this incident occurred. Chris was told that law enforcement was en route, so he left the meeting and began recording through the door window from the public lobby, prompting a response from the Lavalette Police Department.
For what reason? For what reason? Huh?
No reason.
Think no more cops coming here? Huh?
Sarge on duty.
Who is it? Who is it?
Justin.
Nice. Good. Is he gonna arrest me? This is not a law. That's not a law. You can't arrest people for breaking a policy.
It's an ordinance.
What is it? What ordinance is it?
You have to get prior approval. It says right on the sign.
To be in public?
Film at a meeting.
It's public.
Film at a meeting, you need approval.
You don't
That's
need.
what the town ordinance says.
Yeah, but that's unconstitutional. That's illegal.
No, the town has an ordinance for it. So it's like walking your dog on a beach. Some towns allow it, some towns don't.
No, we're talking. This is freedom of the press, bro. You can't fuck
You have,
with.
you have a prior approval
Okay, let me.
in the meeting
Can I please have prior approval for my constitutional rights? No, thank you.
for a meeting.
No, fuck that. It's public, bro. It's public meeting, bro. Fuck that. Fuck that noise, bro. This is a public meeting. This is the freedom of the press. There's people that want to see this. There's with the coronavirus, especially. This guy wants to start shit. Look at him.
Don't be taking my picture.
Sir.
Don't be taking.
You're disturbing
You're
the
gonna get rid of
meeting.
him. I want to whack him, and I'm gonna wind up in jail.
You're disturbing the meeting, sir. You're disturbing the meeting. I'm a lunatic for wanting my constitutional rights not to be made by appointment. Your constitutional rights by appointment only. Coming to you live from Lavalette.
Hey, how are you, Coach? I just got called up here for Mr. Angula was in the meeting. I was told he was disturbing the meeting by filming.
I did not disturb the meeting. No, I didn't disturb the meeting one bit. Wally.
Hey, I'm just listening, man. I just showed up here.
But I'll tell you, I was here. I have it recorded. I didn't disturb the meeting at all.
All right.
Wally told me I couldn't record.
Yeah.
He didn't even tell me to leave. He said there was a police officer coming.
Yeah, I mean, you can see, I mean, if you can read
No,
the
I
English
know.
language,
Yeah, but
it's posted right there in plain
Right.
block letters.
Okay,
Yeah.
so you're supposed to just obey.
One more time, we're up at the ankle on the second floor.
You could write anything you want on a sign.
That's
That's unconstitutional.
Yeah.
It's a freedom of the press. This is totally unconstitutional. You can't just put up a sign.
Yeah, that's fine. We're out with him now.
You can't put up a sign and just say whatever you want. Take away my constitutional rights.
Okay.
Why is that funny?
All right, well, it's posted in here in the building.
You can
so
post
I don't
anything
know
you
what the
want.
problem
You can
is.
post anything you want. You're laughing at
Well,
you're laughing at the
it's
First
their
Amendment.
building.
You're laughing at the First Amendment. That's a little bit of a
Well,
problem.
apparently you were disturbing
No,
somebody
I
in
no, I
here,
wasn't.
so that's why we're here.
This guy is disturbed.
Who's
Could-
that?
Listen, this is what they're supposed to do. I'll cut to the chase.
Don't tell me what my job is, bro, okay?
No, I didn't say
'Cause
you.
if-
I said that. I said this is what they're supposed to do.
Okay, what are they supposed to do?
All right, don't square off with me. I'm trying to help you out
I'm
here.
sitting here, cool, man.
This is what they're supposed to do. Right now, if they really want to do this, they're supposed to take some paper and some Scotch tape and then I'm done.
What is that paper and scotch tape for what? I don't get it.
Because I can stand here right here, but this is still unlawful. And this is just a policy. I could walk right back in there. This is not a law. This is not a law. What are you saying? You want to arrest? What are you shaking your head for? Yes, arrest him.
Don't worry about what we're doing, man.
I'm worried. This is taking away freedom of the press. You don't need to make an
He's
appointment.
supposed to. He's out of here. I mean, what do you guys want to do?
You can't.
He was in the meeting there. He was asked to leave.
And
Was that a prior permit as
I wasn't.
on there?
Sir, this is what happened. Wally said.
The mayor right now said he is causing disturbance in the meeting.
Wally.
He's out here trying to film
I'm in
causing
public.
disturbance with the crowd in there.
I'm allowed to be right here filming.
Why don't we go talk outside so like gentlemen, okay, instead of on the second floor here?
This is the one thing. Wally never asked me to leave. He said there's a police officer coming to escort you out. He never said leave.
What do you think that means? I mean, if he says somebody's coming to escort you out.
Well, I'm obliging. I'm obliging, but this isn't. You don't have to make an appointment.
Listen, man, it's
you don't have to
posted.
make an appointment for the First Amendment.
It's posted.
You can post whatever
you
you
can
want.
talk about your First Amendment all you want. If it's posted, no videoing in the courtroom, and they want you to leave, what's the problem?
It's not a courtroom right now.
Or whatever it is, it's a council meeting.
It's a public meeting. This is open to the public.
And you were asked to leave, correct?
This is a
We
public
gotta talk
meeting.
over here.
This is a public
we gotta
meeting.
Talk over here, Chris.
This is a public meeting, sir.
Eventually, Sergeant Justin Lamb arrives on scene.
But you were asked to leave for causing a disturbance.
I didn't cause any
By somebody
disturbance.
that's
I didn't cause any
running this
disturbance.
thing here,
I didn't
okay?
cause any disturbance.
So,
Okay, what? Okay, what? Yeah.
I said, okay,
You said okay, yeah.
I said, okay.
Yeah.
Right. So
Mayor Cicero asked him to leave.
no, he didn't. No, he didn't. He said no, he didn't. He
It's
said
kinda going-
I have it recorded, Justin. That's
building's
twice.
last
Tom,
to leave.
Tom, this is 3 times now. He didn't ask me to leave. He said a police officer is coming to escort you
Yeah,
out.
that means you have to leave. 'Cause
But he didn't say leave. I didn't get any
We asked
lawful
you to leave,
offers.
right?
Justin, you're a lawyer, right? Isn't Wally a lawyer? What is that sign on the door? That's not a law. That's bullshit. You don't have to make an appointment for your First Amendment rights.
Well, if you create disturbance in a public meeting.
I didn't create any disturbance.
Well, you are now. You're talking real loud. There's a
I'm
meeting going on.
no, I'm not.
Here, I'm talking quiet. I go downstairs, we'll talk it out. I got to talk.
Nah, I'm good. You're better.
We'll all
than-
sit here.
you're-
We'll all sit here then.
We're standing,
Okay,
and
we'll
I'm gonna
sit.
go back to doing what I was doing.
You can't go in
Quiet.
there.
I'm not in there. I'm not going in there.
Okay, we'll stand here then.
Stand right there.
Okay.
Please, stay right there.
Well, you can't go to the meeting.
I'm not going in the meeting. Shh, don't disturb the meeting.
Okay, that's fine. We'll sit.
Don't disturb the meeting, Justin.
Okay, no problem.
Be quiet.
Let's just all stand here.
Just
Is this your stuff or no?
Yeah.
You want it? It's your property or?
Yeah, I want it.
You can't film the meeting. You have to ask for prior permission. You know that? That's not the law. The law is actually Public Meetings Act. You gotta ask for prior permission before you film.
Okay.
So you can't film.
All right.
Why don't you get your stuff though, so you have your stuff.
I'm holding 2 cameras.
I know, but you don't want your stuff getting missing or lost. Or...
What, you gonna throw it in the garbage?
No, I'm just telling you when to grab it, just so you hold it.
That's some great advice, Justin.
The mayor steps out to address the officers, and Chris follows to record.
Here comes the boss, the chief.
No, we're fine out here. We don't need your help. We're fine here. Oh, okay.
The meeting
Well,
of
I'm
the
trying not
minds.
to follow me. I'm actually having a private conversation, so you can't.
Well, okay, well, have it in private.
I am. We'll get out.
Okay.
Now you're getting near my face.
Have the
Back away from my face.
conversation in private, Justin.
I am. Get out of my face. You keep following me. Get out of my
You're
face.
in public. You're a public official in public.
You're like in my face.
You're going that
Get
way.
out of my face.
We're going this way.
Get out of my face.
We're
I'm
going
telling you,
this
get out of
way.
my face.
We're going this way.
Take him.
No,
Get under arrest.
don't.
Chris is now under arrest for what appears to be filming Sergeant Lamb, who claims Chris is in his face. When the camera falls, we can see the 2 men have 2 to 3 feet between them. In the arrest report, it is claimed that Chris, in a threatening and intimidating manner, charged towards him with the cell phone and other recording device aimed towards his head area, and that the cameras were inches away from his head. But that's not what I saw. Let's watch it again.
I'm actually having a private conversation, so you can't.
Well, okay, well, have it in private.
I am. We'll get out. Now you're getting near my face.
Have the conversation in private, Justin.
I am. Get out of my face. You keep following me. Get out of my
You're
face.
in public. You're a public official in public.
You're like in my face.
You're going that
Get
way.
out of my face.
We're going this way.
Get out of my face.
We're
I'm
going
telling you,
this
get out of
way.
my face.
We're going this way.
Take him.
No,
Get under
don't
arrest.
take.
Get out of my face.
I'm not in your face, bro. I'm not fighting. Yo, I'm not fighting. Yo, don't hurt me. Don't fucking hurt me.
I told you, stop backing.
Don't erase my videos.
I'm not. Your video's right there. You kept coming twice.
No, you were walking. Nah, Justin, you were walking away, bro. You were walking away. No, I was following you. Oh, so what are you trying to hurt me?
Chris was arrested and charged with disturbing meeting and processions, aggravated assault on a law enforcement officer, and disorderly conduct. He has been arrested numerous times in close proximity to this encounter, including the following, in which he encounters the same sergeant.
You alright? Yeah, I'm fine. You don't need to shine that light on me. I didn't touch any police car.
That's true. We'll be out here in a minute.
Wait, I touched. Wait, what did? Who called?
911.
Who's 911?
911.
But who is 911?
The Ocean County Sheriff's Department.
Somebody called and said I was touching a police car?
Yep.
6 feet? Where's your mask?
Put the
No,
camera
don't
down. Put
touch
the
me.
camera. Have a seat. Have a seat.
I'm allowed to use my cameras. Yo, you're out of control. I gotta get my dog real quick. I'm picking up dogs. My dog just ran away from me. I gotta get my dog, Justin. I gotta get my dog. You're not allowed to touch my phone.
Chris's cases have been pending for over a year. At this point, there are no updates, but Chris will be posting them on his channel if you wish to follow up. I will also leave links to both videos shown today. If you head over there, let him know I sent you. Thanks for watching. If you have a video you'd like me to review, email it or send it in via Facebook Messenger. You can also view this and other content on my website. If you're new here, subscribe for future content. If you've been around for a while, remember to like, share, and comment down below of what you think of this interaction. Shirts and other goodies are available at the Teespring store linked below. Channel memberships start at just $1 if you'd like to further support the channel and get a slick lack logo next to your name. I'll see you in the next video. All links are down below.